Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to unbox the Redmi Earbuds S, which is Redmi's first audio product and it is a TWS earphones. This is B-Cube and without any further delay, let's get straight into the video. Talking about the box itself, it really looks like a typical Redmi or Xiaomi accessories boxes. Towards the top, you can see few features like IPX4 sweat and splash resistant, 12 hours of playback, and works with voice assistant, and this one is priced at 1799 and it will remain the same. Let's now unbox. It is a really very small package and what we have inside is a case along with earphones and few extra ear tips and user manual. So on the case you can see that it says to remove the stickers on the charging points. So let's open the box now. As we open the box, we will see the both earbuds itself and the stickers. Let us open the stickers on both the tops and also near the charging port, so that once you place it back, it starts charging and then you can start using the earphones. So talking about the overview, we have the physical buttons, clicky physical buttons, basically to control everything. And the pairing is very easy. For the first time, you need to open the earphones and long press it until it starts blinking. And then open your smartphone, open Bluetooth and search for Redmi Earbuds S. And once you get this, click on it and start pairing. From the next time, you don't have to do all this work. You just need to take out the earbuds from the box and it will automatically start pairing to the device. And talking about the case is matte finished and does feel quite good. And talking about the ports, you just have a micro USB port and a notification LED for battery status and some information towards the back. And compared to Mi True Wireless earphones 2, these are almost half of the size, and these are in ear and these are targeted for different group of people. And also this has the new low latency mode as well. This is all for this video guys, for the unboxing overview of Redmi Earbuds S. Hope you guys like the video. Please hit the subscribe button and also do hit on the like button if you did like the video, and do let me know what your suggestions about this device in the comment section below. I would also be comparing this one to the Mi True Wireless earphones to just showcase for what group people which one would be better. So don't forget to subscribe and also do follow on social media handles. Links are given in the description below. Catch you guys in my next video. Bye bye.